Hey guys, it's Regina, and today's video is going to be a review and demo on the Smile Sciences Teeth Whitening Kit. For those of you who are new to my channel, I had Invisalign and I've noticed that my teeth aren't as white as they should be. And I did not go through everything I went through to hide my smile once again. I've used this in the past. Obviously, if you're watching this, you are no stranger to all of the ads we've seen on teeth whitening kits. They're probably one of the biggest things promoted on Instagram. I decided to go with Smile Sciences because I've used it in the past. I wish I could tell you what my results were like, but I bought this back when I hated my teeth. So one, it was so long, it was like 2015, so I don't really remember how the results were and I have no picture evidence. And also makes me wonder why I even purchased this in the first place, but I guess I was just a 22-year-old with a shopping addiction. But one thing I do remember is I really liked the whitening pen and I remember seeing instant results, so I decided to go back with the Smile Sciences. So there's mint and bubblegum. I decided to get mint. I'm going to read the instructions off camera and do a whole demo for you, so I'll be back in just one moment. There's mint flavored and bubblegum. I decided to get mint and it's so cute. I'll show you. In the mail, it even comes with a little mint peppermint. I thought that was really cool. Up to 10 shades whiter, and in the box it says smile, which is what I'm hoping to do after this. In the kit you get the trays, the syringe containing the whitening gel. These swabs, I believe they're vitamin E swabs, and you put them on your gum to protect them from the product. If it touches your gum, sometimes it will burn. And then the maintenance pen, which I remember and love from the past. So I boiled hot water, it says to let it sit for 6 to 7 minutes, and I'm waiting to do my molds. It hasn't been sitting for 6 to 7 minutes, but honestly I stopped it from boiling earlier, so that's that. Did I forget how long I'm supposed to do it for? Okay. Crap. Okay. Okay. The first mold's done. I'm going to place it in cold water. I don't recommend using lip products, and also these do get very messy. So the bottom tray. Okay. They recommend trimming the trays just to avoid gum irritation. If we have all this extra plastic, then the gel can slide there, and that plastic is touching our gums, and we do not want that. There's a piece of plastic. Comment below if you have this and you have an easy way. I'm gonna have to probably use my teeth. I think I'm gonna go, oh. This whole thing comes off, okay. So that's deceiving, like, I don't know. If you buy this, you'll notice it looks like you take it off, but you actually take off the whole entire thing. The more you know. Okay, I finished the treatment. I did it for a little over 25 minutes, so close to 30. I don't know, I think my teeth are, like, obviously this is the first time, so my teeth do feel a bit, I haven't really examined them, but you guys can be the critics. This is the first treatment, like I said, and of course I'm going to be doing updates. So one thing I'll say is my mouth is very sore for holding it in for 25 minutes. You don't have to do the LED light, but it is recommended. I'd say just do it because it helps it. There will be a lot of drool. Just a fair warning, a lot of drool. I don't know, I feel like this could just be me in my head, but they do seem a bit whiter since I've had the thing in. This video isn't sponsored, but Smile Sciences is giving me a promo code. You guys can use Regina2 to get the kit for only $29. Normally they can run up to like over $100, so I think that is a pretty good deal. Yeah, be careful with what lip products you use. The LED light thing is already stained, so please, no colored chapsticks, anything. It's gonna stain, it's gonna get messy. I haven't realized how to braid in my hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you use this kit, comment below. Let us know how you liked it. Let us know how the bubblegum kit is. I'm using mint. If you have any teeth whitening tips, please let us know. And it would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe so you can stay tuned and see how my overall results were. If you have any questions for me, I answer everybody. And you're more than welcome to check out my Invisalign series if you're here for the sake of teeth. I'll talk to you later.